we reduced the fiscal deficit from 6.2% of GDP to 5.7%. So we were borrowing about 850 billion. In this, which the minister is going to present, you will see, because it's public knowledge, we have come now to 4.4% of GDP. And we are working towards 3.6% by 2026. So we hope by 2030, we should have been able to generate enough revenue that can match our expenditures. And therefore, we don't need to be relying on debt. And then we should be therefore be able to address the issue of cost of living, raise the prosperity of Kenyans, because we want a prosperous nation, a nation that is prosperous and where everybody is getting the benefits. So that's why we are looking for inclusive growth. It's not just growth, but inclusive growth that takes everyone on board. That is why we talk of bottom up, because majority of the people at the bottom haven't yet felt. We want to lift the people at the bottom up, and through the policy measures that we are taking in place. I am hoping that there will be more debate, and so that we can expound to Kenyans more about what is in this budget after my minister has read.
Dr. Just before I let you go, you've talked about revenue collection and how it's going to drive growth and also maybe reduction of taxation in the medium term. Just finally, before